This is probably the biggest squishy haul I've ever gotten from Five Below and Dollar Tree, so let's go. I can only find one decent good squishy at Dollar Tree, and it's this. So let me go get my scissors. Okay, I got it unwrapped. And this is just like the Nido ice cube, but just like a lot easier to squish. And it's so cute. It's a capybara. Okay, now we have Dollar Tree. I mean Five Below. So first I got this glow in the dark ice cube. Okay, and this is what it's like. It's like really good. It's like a lot of it, like the plastic is a lot more like tense and really thick. Staying with the same type of squishy, because these both have like those weird hard consistency, we have these gummy bears. I just got cut by the plastic and I'm bleeding. Wait, you can't see it because of the light. Do you all see that? It's literally bleeding. Okay, you know what, whatever. It like literally really hurts. Oh my god. Okay, you know what, it's fine. I'm gonna go get a Band-Aid. Okay, we're gonna forget that ever happened. And here are the gummy bears. They're so good. Oh my god. These are so good. And hear that. They smell like horrible, but whatever. Now we're moving to our next type of squishies from Squish Mart, which are the most viral squishies right now. We have the banana. Oh my god. It's like not as good as everyone says, but it's still really good. Okay, it's like really good. I really like it, but it's just like not as good as everyone says. Like these squishies are so full of air. It's not okay. Okay, just forget about that. Just forget about that. Now we have the cheese, like the cheese that everyone's talking about. Oh, okay, it's like already open. Okay, that's really great. Oh, I literally hate, look how much air that is. It's good. It's just really full of air. Okay, we have the dragon fruit, which I'm sorry because I already opened it because I forgot to hit record. But this one is like, why is it so round? And look at it. Here's the sounds. What is so crunchy? Well, that is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to